expressions on people's faces. When I was younger, I made a book to help me when I was confused. I still have trouble with some people. Ivy was hard to understand because of her wrinkles and because her eyebrows weren't real. 3, I have bad handwriting. I'm hypersensitive, clumsy. I can get very concerned. 4, I like solving problems. Ivy said this is a good thing. And finally, number 5, I have trouble expressing my emotions. Dr. Bernard Hasselhoff says my brain is defective, but one day there will be a cure for my disability. I do not like it when he says this. I do not feel disabled, defective, or need to be cured. I like being an Aspie. It would be like trying to change the color of my eyes. There is one thing I wish I could change, however. I wish I could cry properly. I squeeze and squeeze, but nothing comes out. I cry when I cut onions, but this does not count. Anyway, do you like the word kumquat? It is a type of fruit. Do you have a favorite sounding word? My top 5 are ointment, bumblebee, Vladivostok, banana, and testicle. I have also invented some new words. Confuzzled, which is being confused and puzzled at the same time. Snert, which is a cross between snow and dirt.